The never-ending search for the perfect speaker. Well, let's first state the obvious. It should sound as good as possible, be as portable as possible, be as light as possible, be as small as possible, last as long as possible, look as good as possible, have enough functions as possible, as many functions as possible, have a top-notch microphone for calling, have a very low latency, headphone jack, yes, have a completely stable Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth range as high as possible, good buttons, play, pause, forward, backward, louder, quieter, call. Be great with voice, podcast, audiobooks. Also, listening with higher speeds usually works better on headphones, but if the speaker is really good, then also on a speaker. That's about it. Now the nice to haves. It should offer pairing for multiple devices. To use it with your phone and computer, switching. Act as Bluetooth receiver for your hi-fi. Or your stereo. Act as your ultimate stereo, no real stereo needed anymore. Act as your guitar amp or just general as portable speaker amplifier for other things than playing music and calling alarm. IPX certified, water and dust proof. Maybe coming with voice assistant and multiple microphones. Wi-Fi enabled, charging via USB-C. Not micro USB or something else. Adaptable sound profile. Neutral profile for editing music production. That's about it for now. Candidates for the different categories will arrive soon.